A dice is thrown 4 times and its 4 different positions are shown below. Find the number on the face opposite the face showing 2. So looking at these 4 different figures and the options, we can start eliminating from the options. So if you look at the first position, 4 is neighboring to 2 and we want to find out which number is there on this side. So obviously 4 cannot be the answer. Also 6 is over here, so 6 cannot be the answer as well. So 2 options are eliminated. Now looking at this position of the dice, 2 is over here. That means we want the number over here at the bottom face. So therefore 3 and 4 cannot be that number. Okay. 4 is already eliminated. So 3 is also eliminated. So the only option remaining is C5. So that will be our answer.